Hey, this is Byron to update you on what happened in stock today. I made a little money today, the final day of 2024, December 31st. Okay, but the first thing I need you to do is there's a little red box on the I think the left-hand corner. Please subscribe because I want to make more videos to tell you day by day what happened in the stock market. Now, I've been watching this stock for a long time, and I'm going to give you some friendly advice, which I think is a pretty good stock. Free advice. See, I don't charge no much money like anyone else, but I just want to give everybody like a pretty good, solid company that might work out for them, especially if they're just starting out in the stock market. And I think this really can help a beginner out. Now the vets, they probably got another stock, but I'm very interested in this particular stock. Okay, this stock, first of all, the Dow Jones went down a little bit, but the Nasdaq went down almost 200 points. It actually went down 176 points. See, when the Dow Jones and Nasdaq go down, a lot of times it could take a lot of stocks with it. So don't be concerned. That happens now and then, especially if the Dow Jones go down like 1,000 points. There's a lot of pretty decent stocks out there that might go down too, but so don't panic. It happens. That's part of the stock company itself. That's a natural thing. Okay, but some stocks company is like recession proof. The Dow Jones go down, the Nasdaq go down, that stock can still go up. There are some stocks like that, and I don't want to give you that information right now because by the time you see this video, that stock might be overpriced and you might not want that stock. Okay, like I said, the Nasdaq went down, the S&P 500 went down just a little bit, and the Dow Jones went down just a little bit. So no problem. Happy New Year's Eve. But like I said, the first thing I need you to do is hit that little subscribe, little red box in the corner, because I'm trying to get as many subscribers as possible so I can give stock informational content to you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it every other day to let you know what to prepare for if you do get in the stock market and how to find a good stock. I do not want you to lose any money. My main goal is to get you to make money. Okay. The stock I'm talking about is the symbol is the letter NVDA. It's I think you pronounce it Nvidia Corp. Okay, it went down 3 points today, but for the last year it's been going up like crazy. But I look at other things mixed in why it went down. The Nasdaq went down today, and that could have hurt it. See, the Nasdaq go down, certain stocks go down, and that was one of them. So I don't panic about that. I still think that's a real hot stock, and it's a good stock to buy. But I'm going to tell you exactly how to buy it in 1 second. Okay, like I said, it went down 3 points today. But see, when people look at stuff like that, they panic and they're like, that's not a good stock, it went down. You got to look the long term. I'm a short-term investor, but I look at long-term to see how the stock is. That stock, the whole 52-week year, been going up. It's been going up, and the analysts, a lot of quality analysts are saying that stock is projected price. The average projected price of that stock is $177. And right now it's trading at 134.29. Okay, so it's projected to go up even higher. So a lot of people, a lot of quality people about stock like that particular stock. The symbol is NVDA. N is in Nancy, V is in Victor, D is in dog, A is in apple. Now, now stocks go up and down. If you're going to buy that stock, I need you to follow my 3 recipes. That's don't get greedy, buy low, sell high, and timing is everything. See, just because that stock is a quality stock, it still means you got to buy it at the right moment. Like I said, the stock been going up, but look at my hand. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down, but it's steadily going up. You don't want to catch it when it's going up and then buy it and it goes back down. You lose money and then try to wait until it comes back up. You don't want to do that. So keep an eye on that stock. It's NVIDIA Corp, and I think that's a quality stock. Today is December 31st. Now, it's a great long-term investment. It's a great long-term. I really think you'll make a lot of money. Like I said, the analysts project this stock to go to 177. The lowest it can go is 135. And it's not even there yet. It's at 134. So it's still going to go up a point. But the highest they are projecting this stock is to be $220. Now, that don't mean it's going to get there. So you got a range, they put it in the middle, 177, but that's still going up. So keep an eye on that stock. If you are in the stock market, don't buy it right away. Let the stock go down a little bit because it goes up and down. Catch it when it goes down. Timing is everything. And then if it goes, say it's at 134 now, all of a sudden it goes to 129. Most likely it's going to go back up. That's when you want to buy it. Buy it when it's down. But it's a quality stock because the analysts, this is what they projected. The analysts say it is, I wrote it down, it's an overweight. Overweight is excellent. It's a strong buy. Some people say it's neutral, but that's still okay. Some people say it's a hold. That's okay. Then the next analyst said it's a buy. That's good. Then the next analyst said it's a hold. But you put all that together, it looks like a pretty decent stock. But just be careful when you get in the stock market. Long term, like I said, it's a really great long term investment. But short term, you just gotta be careful. Timing is everything because every stock goes up and down. Don't think just because it's a good stock, as soon as you buy it, it's going to go up. You can make money for you. It don't. Short term, it don't work like that. Stocks always go up and down. But this stock is steadily going up. It's going up and down, but it's steadily going up. I think over the last year, 52 weeks, it went from 75 to 150 something. But then now it's down to 134, but it's still up. That's the main thing. You're not going to find no perfect stock. Nobody knows when a stock is going to go up and how much it's going to go up or when it's going to go down. People are just like AI, artificial intelligence, and all that stuff they say we have now this century. It still can't determine exactly the stock market. The AI can develop what stocks has great trends. That's all I'm gonna say. But it don't know when a stock is going to go up, what time, what date, and all that. It's impossible. Okay. One thing, I looked at this stock and I went to the advanced charts on this stock. That means the more analysts, they said that stock is good. See, I really look into stocks before I buy them. It's a dividend stock. It pays dividends. See, a lot of investors only buy stocks that pays dividends. That's money in your pocket. That stock pays dividends too. So that's another reason to get this stock. Because it pays quarterly a certain dollar amount or however much it is, but it pays dividends every quarter. That's another great thing about this stock. Like every day or every other day, I'm just going to make some suggestions what I think is a good stock, long term or short term. Like I said, I think this stock is a great long term investment, which I do not do, but I still know how to do long term. I know how to buy stock options trades. I know how to do futures. I know how to do everything. But my pet peeve and my technique and my ability is on short term. And I make money almost every day doing it. They compared that stock, NVIDIA stock, to other similar companies to that stock. Almost identical companies. That stock, they said that NVIDIA over 52 weeks is up 178%. Other stocks in that sector or that particular category is not even close to that stock. I'm really impressed with this stock. And I'm going to have other stocks I'm going to put on here too to show you what I'm impressed with. But this stock is a pretty solid stock. It really is. It's been going up for a long time. Okay, there's a lot of news on that stock today. I didn't get a chance to read all the news, but it's like 31 different paragraphs or subjects about that particular stock, and I have to look at it a little bit more. And if it's anything negative about that stock, I'm gonna put it on my next video. But I looked at like the top 10 news chapters on that stock today, and it was all, positive pretty much. It was positive, but I have to look at some more. The market rallied today. It did in the morning. It rallied in the morning. It did rally in the morning, but it opened, but it fell short when the 10-year yield was at 4.53%. See, a lot of stuff affects stock. This was the 10-year yield. It affected the stock, not that much, but it brought it down. Because in the morning, it rallied up. But then all of a sudden, the 10-year yield came out and it went back down. Get used to that. That's just part of the stock market. I already told you about the little red subscribe button. Hit that bell. I'm going to try to get educational content on the stock market every day that I can. Like I said, I'm not perfect. If you got any comments or any ideas, something that I'm missing, please comment to help me out, because I'm trying to help you out. We got to work together. But I just don't want all these other companies saying that, like I gave you a stock that I think is a very good stock. But be careful before you get it. But I'm not asking any money for this particular, information. Other companies are, because they're trying to make money, to pay their bills and all that stuff. But I don't want to do that right now, although I am a professional day trader. I like saying that. This is my profession. But I don't want to charge people. I just want to give people, like I said, I'm giving you the name of a stock. I'm telling you that it's a great long-term investment. But before you invest it, follow my 3 rules. This is what I want to tell you. Make sure, like I said, buy low, sell high. Wait till it drops down. Timing is everything. Same thing. And don't get greedy. Like right now, it's at 134. It closed out at 134 today. If you did buy it, I'm using today as an example. If you did buy it, if I was you, I would try to wait till it goes down a little bit, or maybe down to 129 or 128, because it's gonna go up and down. Now, if it keep going up, you still wait until it drops down. Timing is everything. That's how I'm making money. A lot of people, it's kind of awkward. A lot of people don't do it that way, but it's really been working for me. It stops me from getting greedy. It makes me set a goal. Like if I buy that stock and it goes down, I'm gonna have a goal. Let's say it drops down to 125. I'm gonna say, my mind is like, okay, if we get to 135 or 130, I'm gonna sell it. I don't care if it keeps going up. You can't get greedy when it comes to the stock market, because you will lose everything. I'm serious, you will lose everything, and I don't want that to happen to you. Okay? I'm trying to give you educational content about the stock market as much as I can. But I have a lot on my plate. I'm a caretaker for my father. I drive Uber Eats once in a while. I'm in a lot of dart tournaments and stuff like that. I'm a good dart player, by the way. Now I'm okay. I'm gonna say it like that. There's a lot of people better than I, but a lot of my friends are steadily pushing me to advice about the stock market and make videos to help people out. Like I said, I'm retired, and I just want to make sure. I'm trying to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, let's close this off, because I don't want to give you no false information. I want to make sure I'm honest. I'm talking from my heart. God got me talking from my heart. He do. I'm trying to be as honest as possible. When it comes to buying a stock, be very careful. Regardless if I give you a great name or not, just be very careful. Watch that stock before you purchase it. Like I said, put it on a watch list. Put it on the alert list where it alerts your phone. All kind of things, and just watch it as it go up and down. And timing is everything if you're doing short term. If you're doing long term, I think it's a good investment. I really do. I think that's a solid stock. But today is December 31st. Tomorrow is 2025, January 1st. You never know how a stock is going to do the following day. But the percentage, I'm putting the percentage in your favor. That's exactly what I'm trying to do, because nobody knows when a stock is going to go up and down. So in conclusion, I want to thank you. I mean that from my heart. Like I said, please subscribe and hit that bell, please. Or just thank you for viewing me, first of all. And I'm going to try to be as intelligent and kind and as fair as possible. I love you guys. I got like 2,000 views now on all my videos, and I want to thank you. Thank you, YouTube, for giving me this platform. And thank you, God, for giving me the energy to do these tapes. And oh, I heard a dog barking outside. But thank you, and have a blessed day, and have a happy New Year. Bye bye.